Right guys, end of the week, and we are going to get ready to hand this van back to its lucky owner. So we've done an amazing job on this, and this is a long wheelbase transporter. So the customer wanted to supply some of the own things himself. He wanted to wire up himself inside as well, but he wanted us to take care of the difficult part, which was fitting the roof, fitting the solar panel, and obviously we obliged. So we went ahead and got this van done for him. So what have we done on this van exactly? We've done a Storm Pop Top long wheelbase. It's got the scenic grey canvas as well. Now, one thing I do want to point out is we've gone for a massive solar panel on this one. The customer wanted the maximum amount of solar power that he could harness on the sides of this roof. So we found him a 330 watt panel from Austria, and this is going to absolutely just keep him topped up at all times, and it's going to be paired to his Clayton power management system as well. So if we just take a walk round to the back of the van, we'll show you the panel, and you'll also see that there is some Reimo active rails on this roof. So these are slightly different to standard roof rails because they're mounted flush to the inside of the roof, and this allows you to get roof rails a little bit lower than the standard roof racks that we'd normally fit. Now, it's the first time fitting them, and we wanted to make sure it's 100% we did before we do start to offer these in the future. But for now, we're just going to test them out, make sure they're all okay. But they do look absolutely fantastic, and it looks fantastic paired to this massive 330 watt solar panel as well. So on the inside of this van, you can see it's pretty much bare, and it's in different stages. Now, the reason is the customer's done all of this work on the inside himself. So we can cater to all your needs. If you just want us to take care of the difficult parts, which is fitting the roof, maybe fitting a solar panel, fitting a diesel heater, we can pre-wire all the electrics for you to then take care of yourself once you've got your interior ready. And this is a prime example of that as well. So we pre-wired lots of different parts for him. We've got the solar panel cables, the diesel heater cables, the lights, everything's pre-wired, ready for him to power into his own power management system at his leisure. So that's the end of this build. We're now going to get the other van ready for its handover. We'll show you how that came out as well. So lots of different finished builds going out this week, which is great to see. Lots of happy customers that we're out there taking the vans away, exploring the countryside, using the van as their daily as well as the camper van on the weekends. That's why I think these vans are so good for. It allows you to have a daily car throughout the week to use for family trips or just going to work, whatever, because it's exactly like driving a car. And then on the weekends, you can just throw your stuff in on a Friday night, go wherever you want to go for the weekend, back on Sunday, back to work on Monday. So these are great. They're not difficult to use. It's not like a motorhome or a caravan where you've got lots of effort to get it out, go to a yard, pick it up, etc. They're very practical and simple to use, and that's why I think the VW Transporter is such a popular camper van.